in here, man. Today we're doing a special cooking video. We're gonna be cooking chicken Alfredo.
Beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes. Beans, greens, beans, greens, beans, 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 greens, potatoes, tomatoes, chicken, turkey.
And today's chef will be Moore.
This is your house. This is you're cooking. I don't know how to cook chicken Alfredo, so
Your idea.
yeah, but I was like, yo, we could do it in your kitchen. Pause. You were like, yeah, so I thought you could cook chicken Alfredo.
Bro, I have no idea how to make chicken Alfredo. Like, at all. I know it's basic. It's basic.
I mean, you see the ingredients right here?
Yeah, okay, yeah. But I thought, you told me to go buy these ingredients to get the chicken.
Yeah.
You got the chicken.
And this is your kitchen,
The
parsley,
parsley,
nice,
got
you
the
know what I'm
cheese.
saying? So I thought, yo, you're gonna flex, show off your kitchen, and show your cooking skills at the same time.
I am a chef in training.
But you don't know how to cook chicken
Training
Alfredo.
artist.
You don't know how to cook chicken Alfredo. All right. Well, we don't have a video now. It's like, what are we gonna do? Like, get a chicken to cook chicken Alfredo?
That's almost absurd. It's not gonna happen. There's no way that would ever happen. It's also physically impossible.
No. So we just not gonna eat him.
I guess not. I don't know how to, I don't know how to make it. My mom doesn't get off work until 7, and that's almost crazy that we would have to wait for my mother to get home to cook us food like we toddlers.
You don't understand. When I said, look, we're gonna do a cooking video at your house,
But
I'm thinking like, bro, you know how to cook.
Why do you just think that I know how to do it? I just don't understand.
Cause you're like, yo, yeah, let's go ahead and make some chicken Alfredo in my house. You thought I was just gonna make it? What you expect? A chicken to cook chicken Alfredo?
It's physically impossible. I'm starving.
Somebody looking for Alfredo?
What?
Well, you're looking at the right guy.
Whoa. That was not expected.
You for real?
You serious right now?
I got this. You guys sit back. Relax.
Alright, is it cool if we go play some 2K?
Go ahead, man.
Right, it seems like you got everything going, so...
Let me go get my badges out.
Yeah. Alright,
Alright, fellas.
I don't know if you do the whole...
So if the pan is hot already and you put the oil in, it increases the time that you can cook and use the oil before it starts to smoke. That's why the pan has to be hot.
I got beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, ram, pork, beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes.
You can thicken up your sauce. This is the most traditional. People use cornstarch and water, which is called a slurry, or you can use natural viscosity, which is putting natural ingredients into a sauce to thicken it up. For instance, I can just use the cheese into the melted cream, and then it would thicken up. And I'm just getting all those parts that were kind of stuck a little bit from the bottom.
Chicken, turkeys, rat, beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, ram,
Because it's not boiling. In order for any thickening, like a roux, to actually do its job, it has to come to a boil first, then the magic starts.
Bro, I keep trying to tell you the Wizards gonna be straight this year, bro.
I just need Dwight to get hurt, bro.
Even if Dwight got hurt, John was gonna have that double-double.
Yeah, but if they don't have a center, they're trash. Garbage.
This actually looks pretty good, though.
Man,
Where's he at?
I don't know. These look good.
Yeah, hey, the door's open. This is my cousin.
Oh!
Damn, bro.
Sure.
Yo, this is like really good. I haven't had this like since like I went to Cheesecake.
What's up, fellas? How y'all doing?
What's good, bro?
Yeah, man.
Not much. What I got over there?
Man, we just got some chicken Alfredo, but it's the craziest thing. Like,
We'll try some, man.
what are you doing?
Well, you hungry, ain't
You
you?
know what I'm saying? Well, hopefully you save yourself for some dessert.
Yeah. See what's. Oh!
Chicken, turkeys, rat, you name it. Beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, rams, hogs, dogs, beans.
Please don't kill my vibe. Please don't kill my light. Please don't kill my vibe. Please don't kill my light. Please don't kill my vibe. Please don't kill my light. Please don't kill my vibe. Please don't kill my light.